Hi there, it's Thomas from Joy Team again. In this video, I'm going to share with you about the exclusive tier feature. So imagine something like this. You have all those tiers decided by the tier calculating rule with amount spent, but you also want to have some set of customers who a platinum tier. This tier cannot be decided by your amount spent because they're just so special that you want them to be manually assigned to it. They should not be changed but every time you relaunch the loyalty program. They should be stick to that tier. So you also maybe want to set up like a platinum pass, something like that. It's like a tier pass or membership pass, so you can just purchase the pass and they earn the perks that you have, like priority support. You want to have 10% off for this tier. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. Actually, it's quite easy to do it. First, you add your new tier, you open your new tier setting, you change the tier name, and then you click on exclusive tier so that you do not have to change the milestone to achieve, so that you're no longer affected by any assessment of the tier. So right down below, I want to set up the perks just like any other tier. So I can say priority support, I want X2 point for placeholder rate. If you want to set it up, you better go to the reward program setting for the placeholder rate. I can set it up, but this I'm going to set up as a custom perk so that customer can see it on the front end. But on the discount, I want to have a 10% discount for the platinum. So I'm going to say something like this, the code name, and I just save it and I go back. So when I do it, I just have to relaunch it if you want to. And okay, actually now I already launched it, so no need to do it, but you should see that you should launch it if you want to. So when I go back to the customer list, I can actually change my customer based on the criteria that I have on under the hood. Maybe you have a set up a flow, or the customer sign in for it, submit a form, whatever you want it to be. But in this case, I'm going to show you the most basic way so that I can just change the tier over here to the platinum. Actually, I have a customer already in the platinum tier like this, so I'm going to test it out on the front end. So remember that when you assign them to the platinum tier, which is the exclusive one, whenever you change, or you the VIP tier spend change, or you do anything that to that customer, they will stay the tier until you change them again. So I'm going to go to the front end. I'm going to add in an item to a cart, so you can see that they automatically discount using the Shopify function over here, and you can see there's 10% off over here. So besides editing the customer tier within the customer detail page, there's another thing you can do, that you can set up products like one-time platinum packs, and you have it the price of $100, and the price could be set by whatever you want it to be. And the next thing you have to do is that you go to Shopify flow and you set up a flow like this. So you have auto create, and you check if the customer line item contains this or not. So and then you're going to assign the order email as a customer identifier, and you fill in the name of the tier within the tier setting over here, so that it will assign the customer to that tier. So you can apply the chain, and we're going to place a test order on the storefront. So before we actually place the order, I wanted to show you that I already updated this customer to have the bronze tier before we place the tier. So it's no longer the platinum. So you can see that there's no perk over here, and you want to check out. You fill in the card. I'm going to test card, and I'm going to hit the pay. So this is the digital product, so you see no shipping over here. So I'm going to Shopify flow to see if the run is already done, and let's just see. Okay, we have a just now completed run, and we have to go to the grid over here. You can see it says run. I'm gonna hit reload. You can see that my tier is now platinum, and I should be able to earn all the perks. and I go to the complete, I add to cart, and I already have the person implemented. So I hope that this could show you how the exclusive tiers works, and you can just use the Shopify flow to connect any way you want to have this kind of exclusive tier implement. You can have a form, you can have a manual edit, whatever you want, but it's open a very great opportunity that you can design your VIP tier even more flexible and in a more exclusive and desirable way that customers want it more badly. So I hope that this video helps, and have a good day.